If you're someone that's looking to move to downtown West Palm Beach with a family, let's say that you have small kids and you are looking for a family-friendly neighborhood, you can find great private and public schools and at the same time be within walking distance to the downtown where they do all these amazing activities and where you're close to the island and also close to the beach where you can also bike, walk, scooter, skate. I would recommend you to stay a little bit south of the city center where you can find the historic neighborhoods. There you have a great location. You are really close to the water, to the intercoastal waterways where you can see many families, many people with pets walking down. And it's a really great place to be if you want to be close to the downtown.
I miss you, my friend. Left with all you had to say. Yeah.